Hello friends, let us understand what genetics is and how it works. Genetics is the study of genes and the variation of certain physical and psychological features and characteristics that are influenced by genes. Genes are basic units of heredity. They are instructions that dictate how a person's body is made. Similar to the way that blueprints are instructions to build a house. Information from genes let the body know what characteristics a person will have, like skin color, height, color of their eyes, etc. These instructions come from our parents. When their genes are mixed together, our set of genes is formed. This is why we often look like a mixture of our parents. Almost everyone has different information in their genes, which makes sense given how much diversity there is in how people look and act. Genes help to define who an individual is inside and out. In addition to visible traits like weight and eye color, psychological qualities such as personality traits, intelligence, risk of mental illnesses, and more are linked to genetics. Genes also can carry instructions that can make it more likely for you to develop certain illnesses or conditions. Genes, for example, genes could tell their bodies to increase the size of their fat cells or dictate how they use the fat in their body. Release chemicals like hormones which control hunger and appetite, influence behavior, etc. The study on genetics started in the 1850s and 1860s by an Austrian monk named Gregor Mendel, working on pea plants. From then on, the new science of genetics grew rapidly. Now let us see what is genetic predisposition. Genetic predisposition is an increased likelihood of developing a particular disease based on a person's genetic makeup. Genetic predisposition results from a specific genetic variation that are often inherited from a parent. These genetic changes contribute to the development of the disease but do not directly cause it. Some people with a predisposing genetic variation will never get the disease, while others will. Our genetic destiny is not necessarily written in stone. In people with a genetic predisposition, the risk of disease can depend on multiple factors like lifestyle, social and environmental factors, including anything from light and temperature to chemical exposures. These factors may be able to reduce the disease risk. The environment in which a person is raised can trigger the expression of behavior for which a person is genetically predisposed, while the same person raised in a different environment may exhibit different behavior. The relationship between our genes and behavior can change over time as we have new experiences. In some situations, genes play a larger role in determining your behavior. In other situations, environment plays a larger role in influencing your behavior. Behavior can influence genetic expression in humans and animals by activating or deactivating genes. It is generally agreed upon that neither genes nor environment work alone. Rather, the two work together simultaneously to create the people we ultimately become. Recent studies suggest that by healthy lifestyle, positive thinking, right medication, we can control gene expression for certain diseases. Remember, you do have more influence over genetic traits than you think. Positive health habits such as exercising, eating a good diet, not smoking, and lowering your cholesterol and blood pressure levels will protect your heart and blood vessels from damage. The overall genetic risks are still quite small. and can be avoided by lifestyle choices. Also, to combat stress, we can do some positive mental strength tricks, breathing exercises, meditation, and practice spirituality. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.